Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We from the group of six will briefly describe the Masbagik area. How about its language, food, tourist destination, and customs? Both me as a moderator, my name is Sopiati, and my colleague name Wahyu Hidayat, baik Silpana Rahmawati, Sopiati, Arninda Anggraini Saputri, Hesti Soptiana, Syarifah Nursifa. For that, we will listen to my colleague Hesti Soptiana to explain the first topic about the Sasak Masbagik language.
Local language. The Masbagi people usually use the Sasak language, where Sasak is the mother tongue spoken by the Sasak people, who are the majority ethnic group on the islands of Lombok, Indonesia. This language is closely related to the Balinese language and Sumbawa language spoken on the islands around Lombok. All three are part of the Austronesian language family. For example, the Masbagi language that is often used. Number 1. In bahasa, minta tolong buang sampah itu. In English, please take out the trash. The Masbagi language, ending tulung teteh dorono. Number 2. Bagaimana kabarnya? How are you? Mumbe kabar deh. Number 3. Apakah kamu sudah makan? Have you eaten? Wah, mangan ke. Number 4. Kamu mau kemana? Where are you going? Mbe delai. Number 5. Apakah kamu sudah punya pacar? Do you have a lover? Wah, bedoy de beraya ke.
Okay, we have heard that Sister Hesti Soptiana explained about the Sasak language from Masbagik. Then we will listen to the presentation about food and drinks from Masbagik by Sister Arninda Anggraini Saputri.
Well, the next thing is about Masbagi special foods and drink. 1. Bebek bakar utuh. Whole roasted duck is one of Masbagi specialty foods. Lumbung ta Masbagi. The whole roasted duck meat typical of Lumbung ta is very tender, because it is steamed before being roasted, and the roasting process does not use a machine but uses charcoal, which is no less interesting. The composition of the species is very unique because it is formulated from various types of spices. 2. Opak-opak. Opak-opak, which is made from cassava that lasts for a long time. It's also safe for consumption by people of able ages and easy to process. This opak business is located in the hamlet of Ambung Masbagi Timur. It's Lombok. Opak is a snack made from cassava, and how to make it is not so difficult. 3. Tuak manis. This drink is made from eels. Sweet wine is often found on Bilasundung Street, Masbagi District. It's Lombok. Regency. It is believed by the community that it can provide benefits if you consume it. The drink from this blue-look fruit is believed to be able to treat diabetes, urinary stones, and help neutralize toxins in the body. This palm wine can also nourish the heart and lungs.
We have listened to the presentation by Sister Arninda Anggraini Saputri. Well, we will continue the explanation from Sister Baik Silpana Rahmawati and Syarifah Nurusifa about the tourist attractions in Masbagi.
Tourism object. Geographically, Vanjoy Kopang is located in the northeast of Masbagi Utara Baru village and is also directly adjacent to Vengasela sub-district. This is the location of the Vanjoy Kopang waterfall is also location between two sub-districts. namely Masbate and Pringasela subdistrict. The cool air that blows around the waterfall is supported by Friedrichs fields and sandy trees. Rock cliffs, cave crevices that are still thick with step, and the gentle gurgling of flowing water can tempt every eye they look at it. The Frederick community seems to have become that fullest for the residents of Masbate Utara Baru to green every guest welcome. It is the combination that runs complementary so that the potential lead of Fanjoy Kopang can make a positive contribution to the progress of the village. Fanjoy Kopang Water Tour. The water does not stop flowing as well as the memories never disappear.
The next thing is about tourist village Penaka. Penaka, one of the famous tourist village in East Lombok. To be precise, in East Masbate. This tourist village provides a variety of handicraft products from typical clay. In this location, we can find a variety of very unique hand products and rich history. This place presents a display of handicraft that can be used as souvenirs typical of Lombok. For example, various types of pottery.
Okay, we have heard that Sister Basil Panarhamawati and Syarifah Nurusipa explained the tourist attraction from the Masbate area. Next, we will listen to the last presentation from Brother Wahyu Hidayat about the Masbate customs.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Wahyu Hidayat. In this video, I would like to presentation about custom and culture in Masbate district. Okay, number one, custom and culture in Masbate district is Nunas Nede. Nunas Nede is one of the cultural ritual inherited from the sector of Gesik village, Masbate district, East Lombok, and is still carried out by the local community. The traditional gawe has the aim of asking for the blessing of the creator during the planting season to be given subsequent water, abundant harvest, and to provide harmony among residents, especially in the village of Gesik. People who follow this ritual will be several types of offering and will be accompanied by traditional music. As for the tables in the traditional event, women who are menstruating are not allowed to attend the event because they think it will affect the sacredness. The culmination of this ritual will be held at Lingko Tirtiratu, which has been believed to be the place where ancient cleanse their body. Custom and culture in Masbate number 2 is belanjakan. Spending is inseparable from the history of the struggle of the people of Lombok, especially in the Masbate area as Lombok Regency. The shopping tradition has been carried out by the Masbate community since before the colonial era. At this time, spending was done as a technique of searching or selection and gathering selected people, Papadu in Sasak language, who in ancient times were assigned to red of Javan's headquarters, so they were provoked of their headquarters and then massacred by the Slaparan defense for in the area, Masbate area. Okay, thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that was a review from my colleague for the Masbate area. If there aren't any wrong words, wrong sentence, we are a group of six. Sorry, that's all, and thank you very much.